Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make zoom in and zoom out text animation on Canva. So create new design, open new presentation, select the page and go to color, choose your preferred color and go to elements, look for shape, select your preferred shape and duplicate the shape and flip it. Center the shape and add a text. Go to font and select your preferred font and resize it. It will be less than the shape and change the color. I will select this color and make it behind of the shapes. Change color of the shape and this also, and duplicate it for twice. Move the shapes and resize the text and add a new page and change the color. Copy the shapes and change the style for these shapes as you want. Create a new text. Choose Anton text and resize it. And change the color. And make it behind of the shapes. Change the color of the shapes. Duplicate the page for twice. And move the shapes. And resize your text. And go to transition. Select match and move. And increase the duration. And apply for all the pages. Now resize the page duration. Make play. Now our zoom in and zoom out text animation is ready. Download your design and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to make subscribe and like our video. See you in next video. Thank you.